Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Are you ready to dive into the most fascinating mysteries of the living world? If you think you know everything about nature, get ready to be amazed. Today I'm going to show you 5 creatures and biological phenomena so incredible they defy imagination. From the deepest oceans to space research labs, prepare to have your mind blown. So get comfortable and let's embark on this journey. First up, a creature that looks like it swam straight out of a science fiction movie, the octopus. It's been gliding through our oceans for millions of years, but it's packed with surprises. Did you know the octopus has not 1, not 2, but 3 hearts? Now that's right, one main heart pumps blood through the body, while 2 smaller hearts power the gills. And it's blood, it's blue. Instead of iron-based hemoglobin like us, octopuses use a copper-based protein called hemocyanin, which is perfect for surviving in cold, oxygen-poor waters. But the most mind-boggling feature is its brain power. The octopus has 9 brains in total, 1 central brain and a mini brain in each of its 8 arms. Each arm can taste, touch, and make decisions on its own, without even consulting the main brain. Imagine your arm figuring out how to open a jar by itself. Speaking of which, with no skeleton, an octopus can squeeze its entire body through a hole the size of a coin. Their intelligence is legendary. Scientists have seen them solve complex puzzles, open child-proof containers, and even play. And their camouflage skills? Unmatched. Thanks to special cells called chromatophores, they can change their skin color and texture in a fraction of a second, perfectly mimicking sand, coral, or a rocky surface. Some species even use jet propulsion, shooting water out to blast off like a rocket. But here's a truly astonishing detail about their life cycle. During mating, the male sometimes detaches one of his specialized arms to deliver sperm to the female. After laying her eggs, the mother guards them relentlessly, foregoing food until she dies of exhaustion. Just as her young hatch, it's a level of maternal devotion that's absolutely unique. The octopus truly is an alien on our own planet. Now, let's zoom in on a creature so tiny you need a microscope to see it. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. These microscopic marvels, barely half a millimeter long, live everywhere on Earth, from the highest Himalayan peaks to the deepest ocean trenches, and probably even in your own backyard. But their real superpower? They are practically indestructible. Tardigrades can survive temperatures near absolute zero and well over 150 degrees Celsius. They can withstand the crushing pressure of the Mariana Trench and even the vacuum and deadly radiation of outer space. How do they do it? Their secret is a state called cryptobiosis. When conditions get tough, they can suspend their metabolism completely, dehydrate their bodies, and remain in this state for decades. Just add a drop of water and they spring back to life within hours. It's like hitting the pause button on life itself. This incredible resilience fascinates scientists, especially those in astrobiology. If a tardigrade can survive the harshness of space, could other life forms do the same? Their DNA is incredibly robust, and researchers have found they can even incorporate DNA fragments from other species into their own genome. Today, tardigrades are at the heart of research into cell preservation and the future of space travel. These tiny survivors are living proof that size truly doesn't matter when it comes to toughness. Our third unusual fact brings us to a master of disguise, the chameleon. You probably think it changes color just to camouflage itself, right? Well, think again. While camouflage is part of it, chameleons primarily change color to communicate and regulate their body temperature. Their skin is a marvel of biological engineering, containing specialized cells called chromatophores that hold different pigments. But beneath those, other cells manipulate light using nanocrystals, creating an astonishing palette of vibrant greens, turquoises, oranges, and reds. When a male chameleon wants to attract a female, he puts on a dazzling color show. If he's scared or defeated, his colors become dull and muted. It's a complex social language painted right on their skin. And let's talk about that tongue. It can be twice the length of its body and shoots out at the speed of a rifle bullet, grabbing its prey with a super adhesive tip. Then there are its eyes. They are absolutely fascinating. Each eye can move independently, allowing the chameleon to look forward and backward at the same time. This gives it a complete 360-degree panoramic view of its surroundings, a unique advantage in the reptile world. The chameleon is also a master thermoregulator. It darkens its skin to absorb more heat from the sun and lightens it to cool down by reflecting sunlight. This creature is a living symphony of biology, physics, and pure, colorful magic. Now let's plunge into the abyssal depths, more than 1,000 meters below the surface, where one of the strangest creatures on our planet resides. Macropina microstoma, the barrel-eye fish. This fish looks like it was designed for a sci-fi epic. Its head is a completely transparent, fluid-filled dome, which allows you to see right through to its brain and its internal tube-shaped green eyes. These remarkable eyes are typically pointed straight up, constantly scanning the dark water above for the faint silhouettes of prey. But here's the most incredible part. When it spots a meal, it can rotate its eyes to point forward, giving it precise binocular vision to zero in on its target. This unique mechanism is found nowhere else in the animal kingdom. Living in the crushing pressure and utter darkness of the deep sea, this fragile-looking fish has thrived for millions of years. It even has a form of bioluminescence, possibly emitting a faint light to help it blend in with the tiny bits of light filtering down from above, making it nearly invisible to predators below. Scientists struggled for years to study it alive because it would often perish when brought to the surface. Its transparent head, with those two green orbs floating inside, is a hauntingly beautiful reminder that life can create wonders in even the most hostile corners of our world. And finally, let's talk about a creature you've probably seen 1,000 times without a second thought, the ant. Often dismissed as simple garden pests, ants live in a world of breathtaking complexity. In a single colony, every member has an ultra-specific job. There are workers, soldiers, nurses, and of course the queen. Their societies are organized with an efficiency that would put many human organizations to shame. Ants communicate using pheromones, a sophisticated chemical language. A simple scented trail can guide thousands of individuals to a food source with pinpoint accuracy. Some species are even farmers, raising aphids like tiny livestock to milk them for their sweet honeydew. But here's what's truly mind-blowing. Ants mastered agriculture and the division of labor millions of years before humans even existed. Through their collective intelligence, they build massive, intricate structures and can repair damaged tunnels without a single leader giving orders. No single ant knows the master plan, but together they achieve incredible feats of engineering. This swarm intelligence is now inspiring the development of artificial intelligence and robotics. Their ability to adapt has allowed them to colonize nearly every land environment on Earth. When you watch an ant colony, you're not just seeing insects at work. You're witnessing a masterclass in cooperation, efficiency, and the power of unity. And there you have it. Our journey into the weird and wonderful world of biology is complete. From the alien-like octopus to the architect ants, through indestructible tardigrades, illusionist chameleons, and the ghostly barrel-eye fish, nature's capacity to innovate is truly endless. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and let me know in the comments which creature blew your mind the most. Do you know any other amazing biological facts? Share them with us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon for more extraordinary discoveries. Bye.